Welcome to Kwiiz Success, the best online coaching. Let us learn basic English grammar. Study at your own pace and save your time and energy. Please like and subscribe for more educational videos.
Adverbs. You have failed your maths exams miserably.
But I had worked very hard for the exam.
Can you understand whatever is taught in class easily?
In class, the teacher teaches excellently. I understand everything well. But when I write the exam, I forget everything totally.
The only solution to this constantly recurring problem is practicing rigorously every day.
Yes, ma'am. I will certainly do so.
In the dialogues, the principal and the girl have used words that tell us something about the verb, adjective, or adverb in the sentence. The words miserably, very, hard, easily, excellently, well, totally, constantly, rigorously, certainly are examples of adverbs. Definition: an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adverb, or an adjective in a sentence. Let us look at few sentences. Girish is completely independent. Kea laughs loudly. Anshu runs extremely fast. In the first sentence, completely is an adverb, as it modifies the adjective independent. In the next sentence, loudly is an adverb, as it modifies the verb laughs. In the third sentence, extremely is an adverb, as it modifies the adverb fast. Here is a list of some adverbs: smartly, brilliantly, very, quite, frequently, carefully. Our garden. At our house, we have a great urban garden. My husband usually wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. Sometimes he goes for a run, but usually he waters the garden. He never asks us to help him that early because we usually are getting ready for school. Our kids are seldom late for school and are often there pretty early. Sometimes it rains in the...
For free quiz, visit www.success.org.in. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.